For tonight's dinner, we will be cooking fried rice with veggies. I'll share the ingredients. These are the ingredients: garlic, spring onion, some pepper, carrots, capsicum, corn kernels, 4 eggs, some green veggies I just found in the fridge. And a cold rice, leftover rice. So it's not necessary that you have to like prepare, like go to the supermarket and buy some expensive ingredients for your fried rice. Whatever you can find in your freezer or in your fridge, so you can always use that. And we will use olive oil. This is the fried rice. As you can see, all the ingredients are there, and like I said, I use soy sauce and some salt and pepper to taste. There's the soy sauce that I forgot to mention before.